Hi there, welcome to 110 RC Scale Tales, and we've got the WPL C74 Suzuki Jimny. Now it's a bit different from when you last saw it. Now it looks like it's had a very hard life, very rusty in places. This is thanks to RC Adventures, who took it away over Christmas and applied a two-stage rusting iron paint. So basically it's two stages. First you apply the iron paint to areas where you want the weathering to take place. Leave that, and then a rusting catalyst is then applied on top with the excess wiped off, and it's left overnight. And over the course of a number of hours, the vehicle actually starts to rust. This is real rust that you can actually see on the vehicle. Now, it looks absolutely amazing, and I think, yeah, it looks like a rusty truck. But I think there's areas where it's just a bit too clean. For something that's had such a hard life, it needs a little bit more weathering. So what I thought I'd do today is try my own type of weathering using this Tamiya Weathering Master. I picked this up at the local hobby store a while back, and it has three, it's like a wee palette, and it's got three colours. It's got orange rust, gunmetal and silver. And when you open it up, you can see the palette a bit clearer. It comes with a little application brush, and with a little water you just apply the weathering to the areas that you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that with the rust and just give it a little bit more weathering. Let's see how we get on. Okay, let's start. So I've got a little egg cup with water, paper towel, and my Tamiya Weathering Master. Okay, so what you do is you get the little brush, dip it in the water, take as much of the water off, soften up the rust paint, and what we're going to do is we're just going to apply it to the front wing here. Just following the natural grooves of the car. A little bit more. Keep painting almost until the brush has run out of colour. What you do is then you get the cloth, wiping away the excess, and it adds a bit of depth and aging to the vehicle. So far so good. So a little bit more water. Get the excess off. Here, I think what we'll do is we'll follow this contour here on the bonnet and the door line. Get a little more colour. The gutter. See how that looks. So taking away the excess. A little water up here. A little bit too much up there. So there you go, that actually looks pretty cool. So what I'll do is I'm going to go around the whole car and see how we get on. I have to say that it's turned out actually really cool. Simple little kit from Tamiya, from the local hobby store. Very, very effective. What I might do is just put some, just take some off the roof a little bit. Just dull it. Looking very good. So I think what we'll do is we'll get the other one I've got somewhere. Oh, here it is. This has sand, light sand and mud. So I'm going to put some mud around the wheel arches and some sand around the front and back and just see how that looks. So there it is, looking very nice indeed. So thanks again to RC Adventures for doing the first stage, the actual iron paint and rusting catalyst. That's started off the weathering nicely. But I do think the Tamiya Weathering Master palette has actually finished it off nicely. It's looking rather good. So there we go. That's the WPL C74 Suzuki Jimny, nice and weathered. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please give me a like if you liked the video, a thumbs up, and please comment on the video. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next 110 RC Scale Tales video. Cheers now. All the best.